Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to discover the world's top 5 best dashcams for your car, both front and rear? Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate lineup of cutting-edge dashcams that will revolutionize the way you drive and ensure your safety on the road. Whether you're a frequent road tripper or a daily commuter, having a reliable dashcam is crucial. From crystal clear video quality to advanced features like night vision and GPS tracking, these dashcams have it all. Stay tuned as we dive into each one and help you make the best choice for your needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and where to buy. So, let's get started. Check the link in the description below. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K Mirror Dashcam, the pinnacle of innovation in front and rear view mirror camera technology. Designed for both cars and trucks, this advanced dashcam elevates your driving experience with its stunning 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear camera, ensuring crystal clear video recording of every detail on the road. The expansive 12-inch screen offers a broader view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, effectively minimizing blind spots for safer driving and reversing. Its smart screen split function allows simultaneous viewing of both camera feeds, enhancing situational awareness. Equipped with enhanced night vision capabilities and a low reflectivity LCD, the Wolfbox G840S delivers clear images in all lighting conditions. The integration of WDR, HDR technology, and a StarVis sensor ensures superior image quality, making nighttime driving effortless. For added functionality, an external GPS antenna provides real-time GPS tracking displayed directly on the mirror, while the 24-hour precise parking monitor with time-lapse mode ensures continuous surveillance of your parked vehicle. This mirror dashcam also features a USB-C power supply for improved stability and reliability, avoiding issues like high-temperature deformation. It includes smart functions such as streaming media rear view, adjustable display angles, G-sensor, loop recording, and more, catering to the needs of discerning drivers seeking the best mirror dashcam front and rear. With its seamless integration into the existing mirror design, the Wolfbox G840S not only enhances safety but also blends effortlessly with your vehicle's interior aesthetics. Number 2. Pormito Triple Mirror Dashcam 12-inch, a groundbreaking innovation in vehicle surveillance. This advanced dashcam system captures the front, rear, and in-car views simultaneously, ensuring comprehensive security on the road. With its 12-inch HD IPS touchscreen featuring anti-glare technology and HDR-enabled Sony StarVis sensors, the Pormito dashcam delivers crystal-clear images in all lighting conditions, even under direct sunlight or at night. This means no more overexposed footage, allowing you to discern license plates and details with ease for safer driving. What sets the Pormito apart is its flexibility. The front and interior cameras can be installed independently in either mirrored or straight image mode, offering unparalleled versatility to suit different vehicle setups. The package includes a 33-foot rear camera cable suitable for most cars, with an option to extend up to 49 feet for larger vehicles like trucks or RVs. Integrated GPS tracking enriches your footage with location data and driving speed, providing crucial evidence in case of incidents. Moreover, essential features like parking monitoring, loop recording, G-sensor, and a user-friendly split-screen display are all included, making the Pormito Mirror Dashcam the ultimate choice for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. Ideal for those seeking the best mirror dashcam front and rear, the Pormito Triple Mirror Dashcam 12-inch excels in both performance and usability, offering unmatched peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. Akeso DL12 2.5K Mirror Dashcam, your ultimate companion for safe and efficient driving. Boasting a Sony image sensor and his Silicon processor, this dual camera system delivers unrivaled clarity with 2.5K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. The 12-inch touchscreen offers intuitive control and smart screen split functionality, allowing simultaneous display of both front and rear views. With a 170 degrees adjustable front lens and 150 degrees rear lens, blind spots are minimized, ensuring comprehensive road coverage. Equipped with built-in GPS, the DL12 records real-time location and driving speed, enhancing accountability and navigation. Its G-sensor automatically triggers emergency recording upon detecting collisions, while parking monitoring safeguards your vehicle even when parked. Voice control functionality enables hands-free operation, allowing commands for screen management, video recording, and more, ensuring utmost convenience and safety. Even in low-light conditions, the DL12 excels with Sony StarVis sensor technology and 6 glass lenses, ensuring clear night vision and vivid color reproduction. Akeso stands behind its product with a generous 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support, emphasizing reliability and customer satisfaction. For those seeking the best mirror dashcam front and rear, the Akeso DL12 is the ideal choice, combining advanced features like high-definition recording, GPS integration, robust safety features, and user-friendly controls in one sleek package. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the DL12 provides peace of mind with every journey. Number 4. Jansight 10-foot Full HD touchscreen rear-view mirror dashcam, a standout choice for anyone seeking the best mirror dashcam solution for their vehicle. This 2023 upgraded model features a generous 10-inch streaming media full touchscreen, delivering clear and seamless real-time images from both its 1080p front and rear cameras. The inclusion of a 10 meters long backup camera cable eliminates the usual constraints of installation, ensuring ample reach even for larger vehicles. Both cameras excel in providing superb video quality, bolstered by super night vision capabilities that enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making nighttime driving and parking safer and more secure. The mirrored dashcam's wide-angle lenses effectively eliminate blind spots, offering a comprehensive view of the surroundings. User-friendly features abound with intuitive touchscreen controls that allow for easy adjustments of viewing angles and camera switching. The thoughtful design includes adjustable brightness settings and a quick power-off function for the display screen while the cameras continue to record, a practical feature for reducing distractions during night driving. For added peace of mind, essential functions like G-sensor sensitivity, loop recording duration, and motion detection settings are customizable to suit individual preferences. Backed by Jansight's commitment to quality and reliability, each purchase comes with 24/7 customer service support, ensuring assistance whenever needed. The Jansight 10-foot Full HD touchscreen rear-view mirror dashcam stands out as an ideal choice for those prioritizing safety, clarity, and ease of use in their daily commute or long road trips. Number 5. Pelsi P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam, your ultimate driving companion for enhanced safety and convenience on the road. This top-tier dashcam features cutting-edge ADAS collision avoidance technology, providing alerts for forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure, headway monitoring, and forward movement, ensuring you stay vigilant while driving. Its intelligent BSD algorithm further enhances safety by detecting blind spots, alerting you to potential collisions when changing lanes or reversing, effectively minimizing risks. The standout feature of the Pelsi P12 Pro is its exceptional 4K Ultra HD dual camera system. With a 4K UHD front camera and advanced WDR technology, this mirrored dashcam delivers unparalleled clarity, capturing crucial details such as road signs and license plates with minimal glare distortion, even in challenging lighting conditions. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to effortlessly command the dashcam with 9 voice commands, including start/stop recording and capture still images, promoting safer driving practices. Included with the Pelsi P12 Pro is a free 32GB TF card and GPS tracking capability, providing accurate location and route information for comprehensive post-incident analysis. Its 24H parking monitor function automatically records and locks video footage upon detecting a collision during parking, ensuring your vehicle is safeguarded even when you're away. Additional features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and time-lapse recording further optimize storage efficiency and capture critical moments seamlessly. For those seeking the best mirror dashcam front and rear, the Pelsi P12 Pro stands out with its robust feature set, advanced safety technologies, and unparalleled 4K video quality. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising down the highway, this smart driving assistant is designed to enhance your driving experience with reliability and peace of mind. In conclusion, choosing the best mirror dashcam for both front and rear coverage can greatly enhance your driving experience with its comprehensive safety features and convenience. Whether you prioritize seamless integration, dual camera coverage, or advanced functionalities like parking mode and night vision, there's a mirrored dashcam suited to your needs. We've reviewed some top options today to help you make an informed decision based on your preferences and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Like this video if you found it helpful, leave us a comment with your thoughts, and share it with others who might benefit. Drive safely and stay connected with the latest in automotive technology.